appointment at Ajovarma for my license exchange. So I'll be going there after school. So first I have to go to my school, and I'm a little late, so I have to ride really fast because it's really becoming cold now, so it's difficult to wake up early. So I have to get used to it. Now let's go. So I just got done with my classes. Now मेरा appointment है अभी 1:45 को आयोवामा में, तो I will go there now. अभी तो सिर्फ 12:30 बज रहा है, so let's hope अगर वहाँ पे ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं होता है तो they might let me do before 1:45, but appointment तो 1:45 से है, so I will go there now. That's Vamia's main building right now, or I will take my cycle from here. Almost reaching Ajovarma now. So I have reached Ajovarma. You can see behind me. Go in. Hopefully they're not that busy right now and I can get mine quickly. So let's go. It's not that busy right now. So she gave me this form to fill. I have to fill this form and then I have to wait till my appointment. It's 12:50 now. I have to wait another hour. Let's see now.
It's motorcycle and car.
Yeah.
Right. I will send all these documents to Traficom in Helsinki and also your driving license from India. You will get a temporary one driving license from here that is valid in 6 months, so you can drive with it. And if everything is okay, you will get the Finnish driving license directly to your home address.
Alright.
But it lasts 4 months because they have also a lot of applications there.
Okay. So my address at DVV that I registered.
Yeah, it comes on it's the same address in our system.
Okay. Because.
So if you move,
Yeah.
then it's right because they update, you know.
So I have to update over DVV.
Yeah, if you move that and then you go to the DVD and they update the address.
Oh.
They also do it in our system.
Okay, perfect.
And if you can, it's the address that you are living on in now. Was it the motorcycle that you are with during India?
Yeah.
It was a real. It was not a mopo.
It was a 600 cc.
motorcycle.
600 cc.
What?
600 cc.
Okay.
So this is my temporary license.
Yeah, this
right?
is your temporary driving license.
Okay.
And like I told you, everything is okay. Yeah, it's only the you know when you.
My old one.
Yeah, when you get the license. And here is the valid time,
Okay.
March 2024.
So this is I just need this to drive right now.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, they have seen like many like this before,
Mhm.
so it's
Okay.
yeah, and they see it also in the system that
It's
well,
registered.
yeah, that the changing process
Okay.
it's
Uh-huh.
so.
So I just got done with Ajovarma and I'll explain the process. So after you have already done the medical, you have to come here and you can either first you have to book the appointment. So I did that on the day of the medical itself, and then on the day of the appointment you have to come. If you haven't paid already, you can also pay in advance if you're booking online. So if you do that like I did, then you just have to come here with your original driving license. For me it was my Indian license, and then you have to bring 2 photographs. And if you have your Poliisi card already, you don't need your passport. Like me, I did not need to give them my passport. My Poliisi card was enough, and one physical photo was needed instead of two, because they have the code with the Poliisi card, so they didn't need a second copy for me. But in case you don't have a Poliisi card, you need to bring 2 photographs and a passport. So for me, since I have the Poliisi card, just the Poliisi card and 1 photograph. But if you don't have a Poliisi card, passport and 2 photographs. So after that, I gave her my license first, and then she processed everything, and I had to fill a form, like you saw. So after giving her the form and the license, she processed it. It took about 30 minutes, and after that she gave me a temporary driving permit, and the processing is about 4 months because there's a lot of people waiting before me. So first my license will now go to Helsinki, my old license, and after that, if it gets approved for exchange, I will get the physical driving license delivered to my address, the address that is registered at DVB. So for me, it's my old address. I have to update my address at DVB also if I want it delivered to my new address. So abhi filal I can drive in Vaasa, in Finland, I mean, and all over Europe. So that won't be a problem. Now, yeah, that's about it. That's all you need to know. And um, my appointment was at 1:45, but the lady um, waited for the person before me, जिसका appointment 1 बजे या 12:45 को था. They didn't show up, so she called me at 1 o'clock, and then she started processing my application, and that's how I got done before. It's just 1:45 now, so now I will leave. I will go home. I'll freshen up, and the weather is nice, so we might go for fishing again. So let's go.